core purpose is to really connect people and possibilities. Last year, we have moved more than 60 kilotons of PPE, almost 10,000 relief shipments, 2 billion masks, and millions of vaccine doses. A challenge of this magnitude requires a network of our size. But we need the technology to go with it. And with Microsoft, we are reimagining our future at the intersection of the physical and the digital. As we know that bringing those together brings real value to our customers. The true heroes are almost 600,000 frontline workers who have really gone above and beyond the call of duty. There's a sense of mission about it at FedEx. This is who we are and what we do. So at the end of the day, we are proud of what we are doing across the world.
I'm delighted to be here with Rob Carter, and we've both been superimposed on top of the FedEx World Hub. Rob, you all have been focused on the expedient delivery of packages around the world and been very focused on the notion that the data about the package is as important about the package itself. The pandemic has elevated the intensity and really put FedEx on the world stage for vaccine distribution. And I'd love it if you could start off with just this notion of the importance of data and intelligence and the role that it plays in FedEx's business.
Absolutely. Data has been so important to FedEx. It used to just be kind of the exhaust from our applications, and we always collected it and managed it well, but I'm not sure we activated it anywhere near to the level that we are today. With 15 million plus packages a day going around the world, it provides amazing insights. I mean, this incredible, environment that we've created together between Azure Synapse and FedEx Surround is really giving data a new place in our infrastructure. It's elevating it to, the highest order citizen that we have. And that includes the vaccines, where we're using IoT devices to track each and every vaccine shipment, ingesting that through Databricks and some of the technology in your stack into our Surround environment, and it's providing intense visibility and predictive capabilities around these most critical shipments.
So you all invested in FedEx Surround ahead of the pandemic, and it was really meant to be a world-class, next-generation, AI-empowered way of supporting logistics and advanced supply chain solutions for your customers around the world. But it has been put to work. I would love it if you would give folks a flavor of how you intend to scale Surround investments across your enterprise.
We have this real high sense of purpose at FedEx. We believe that we connect people and possibilities around the world, and that businesses prosper and communities thrive, and really people flourish in that kind of environment where they're connected to the world. And that's been important during the pandemic too, from the top of the stack with the incredible ingestion of vaccine data, all the way down to dog food being delivered. We're ingesting massive amounts of data into the Azure environment that is Surround. Along with our data, we're also ingesting things like traffic data and weather data. When big storms hit the eastern seaboard, it's critical that we have visibility to those dimensions as well, as we're using data science and machine learning and AI to make sure that we're able to work our way around congestion points and critical delivery obstacles.
Well, you're a super important partner to us, Rob, and you're pretty close to all of our engineering strategies and roadmaps. Would love it if you could maybe share some of your feedback as to the announcements that we're making here at Ignite.
Yeah, the reality of what we're trying to manage is, this world of more than 700 aircraft and 180,000 vehicles and millions of shipments. And so the data that produces needs to be managed in modern ways. And so things like Synapse and what we're doing with Cassandra data structures right now to really be able to lean into modern technology, eventually consistent technologies that work hard to manage multi-instance availability zones for our business, because frankly, the technology at FedEx is the central nervous system of the company. Planes don't fly, trucks don't roll, customers can't ship, customers don't have the visibility into their shipments that they need. without that technology being rock solid.
Completely. So, Rob, listen, I can't thank you enough for being here with me today, but more importantly for the partnership and for the 600,000 FedEx employees that are on the front lines today, helping us all get through this pandemic together.